Keep it rolling, poppin'. Try to keep it rolling, poppin'.
Say hi. I decided to vlog now at this point. So we're just gonna recap.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Poppin Shay, but you knew that already. So today, as you can tell, bright and early, just now waking up, getting straight on the camera, I have some very important news. It's moving day for me and Quan. We got our own apartment and we will be moving today. Our room is empty. There's CC. Closet empty, boxes, nightstands, and it's just, everything is ready to go, okay? So what's gonna happen today is when I'm gonna go to work in a few. It's only like 7:30 right now. Quan already left for work, so I will be leaving around 8:30 to go to work, but I'm gonna put a few things in my car first. Right now my car is packed slightly. The trunk is full. I don't think I can fit anything else in there, just because of stuff that I have bought for the house already, which I should have been vlogging that part, but I've been so in the moment and so excited. But of course you will get a full tour of everything that I've bought once it's put up in a way in the apartment. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna go to work and then leave around lunchtime. We're gonna go get the U-Haul and get this bed, our washer and dryer, dining room table for my dad's house, stuff like that. And I'll take you guys along for that ride. But for right now, I just wanted to update you guys. It's moving day. Look at Cece. It's moving day, and this room looks so bare. I think it's so fascinating. But as you guys know, we've been here for 2 years. But yeah, now we're moving to an apartment. So I'll just talk to you guys when it's time to move.
Okay, you guys, don't mind my hair and everything. It's of course raining right now, but I am at my new apartment complex. And I'm about to go in the leasing office and give them my check and sign whatever else they need to sign in order for me to get my keys. They had emailed me and said that the unit won't be ready until 3. But we're gonna test that today. I'm staring right at my building because literally it's the leasing office of the park and then my building is right here. So I'm the first building. But anyway, let's go inside. I hope these people are not on lunch or anything. So let's see. Okay, guys, we got the keys. And so now I'm at the house. And waiting for Quan to come. We're gonna go get the U-Haul. Okay, so we got the U-Haul. Finally, it was such a long process, but now we're on the way to my dad's house so I can get the dining room table that he's giving me. And then after that, I think we're going to our current house and then to his grandma's house to get the washer and dryer that they're giving us. And then after that, we're apartment bound. So we'll just see where the day takes us. Okay, you guys, it's still drizzling outside, but we're at his grandparents' house where we got the washer and dryer that we needed. So we loaded that in the trunk. Well, I supervised while they loaded it in the truck. And so now, I didn't know if I showed y'all my car. It's completely full. My trunk is even fuller. So yeah, now we're all going to the apartment. So see y'all there. First time that we're gonna see it. guys. It is 9 o'clock in the morning the next day. I believe the last clip that I got was us grocery shopping. Kwan's mom was a blessing to us, basically. She gave us our first set of groceries, I guess you would call it. So yeah, we're good for at least, I think, about a week and a half maybe. But yeah, so that was so nice. Shout out to her. And then she also got us a toaster and some washcloths because we had our towels but no rags. So yeah, Kwan didn't have to go to work today because, as you see, it's been raining all night. So yeah, he doesn't have to go to work today, so he's going to be unpacking all of what he can and putting things away. I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm just very excited, basically. That's the moral of the story. I'm really proud of the bathroom right now. Like, that's my favorite room. I feel like it's basically 90% done. So yeah, I'm very excited. So my next focus is going to be on the living room and, of course, the bedroom, because we need a dresser. Basically, all I need right now is a dresser, and I'll be happy because we already got 2 nightstands. We have lamps, our bed, we got new sheets, pillows, everything. We have our TV that's good for right now, and then yeah, we just need a dresser, basically. So and I think we're gonna go get Cece tonight. But Kwan's gonna like survey how everything is over there before bringing her, because I don't want it to be too much for her. So yeah, yeah, that's basically all the update I have for you guys today. Okay, you guys, hi, welcome back. So I'm on my lunch break right now, and I felt like doing something. So I think I'm gonna go to Five Below right now and see what other decor pieces that they have. I want to find something like mirrors and little signs to put like in the kitchen, and things like that, like wall decor, I guess you would call it, and maybe like a fake plant or something to put anywhere at this point. But yeah, just a couple things, and we need batteries as well, so I'll be doing that. Okay, you guys, so I'm back at home now. We just picked up Cece and brought her over here, and Kwan went to go get us something to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Five Below. So first things first, I got 2 of these shoe racks. I don't know why I keep saying I'm so sorry. They're 2-tier fabric storage shelves. That's what the fabric looks like in there. They have black bars, so that'll go with everything here. You can see the walls are very white, so I'm trying to accessorize with as much black things as possible. So yeah, just to hold on, she's making noises. Okay, anyway, she's so excited, you guys. Look at her. You so excited? You so excited, pretty girl? She's like, I want to go back in the hallway. Anyway, so 2 of these, 2 of these, I did not know that toy squeaked. Oh my goodness. The most frantic haul you've ever seen. You get the point. 2 of these, okay? And then, will I ever get my life together? 2 of those. I also got 2 of these. It is a mirror. Oh, now y'all can see my setup. How ghetto. They have hooks on them. So yeah, I got 2 of these. See, 1, 2. And then LED light strips, because everyone has them, and I want to be like the gang. Thinking behind the TV, once we get it like a not command center, an entertainment center. You want to sniff it? She has to sniff everything that's new. I got LED light strips, Cece, smell it. Okay. And then, Cece, look what I got you for Halloween. Trick or treat. Oh, you love it? She loves it. She knows it's for you. You know it's for you. Okay, so I got this in a large. We'll see if it fits her. And then I got this lantern to put, I thought I could put a real candle in it, but then Emelina told me that I probably shouldn't because it would get really hot, which I said it's fine. It's fine if it gets hot, it's fine. But she said no, I should get a fake candle or, you know, something of that sort. But yeah, and then last but not least, I got 2 of these collapsible bins just for storage. I guess they're that big, and then this is it stacked. It comes in a 2-pack. So I got this for, she's trying to open the door because she wants to go explore everything. But anyway, I got this for underneath the kitchen sink and underneath the bathroom sink for just storage and stuff like that. But who knows where I'm gonna end up putting it. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put together Cece's crate, which is gonna be in our bedroom. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here, and then come back for part 2 so you can see a semi-furnished apartment tour. I know this one was a little bit hectic, but just hang in there with me. We're gonna perfect our craft, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Keep it on and poppin'. Try to keep it on and